So check this out, guys. Look at this. It has a handle. You just put it in here for your pot when you're doing your boiling your chicken or anything else. Look at that. Beautiful, outstanding carving. Has a little handle. I like that. That's one of my favorite things for any hot pots that you have. Now you got to do is dip it in there, get it going. So today we're going to bring 3 different size wooden ladles. Now this is perfect for your soups or anything you're cooking on. It has the actual place so you could hang it on the actual pot itself. You could hang these, set them up anywhere you want. These are washable, easy to clean. So today we're actually going to use one. We're going to make sure out of the box, make sure you rinse them and wash them before you use them. All right, and you could dry them. They're easy to dry too. So let's put it to use and see how it works. So when you're actually, this is what the handle is for. Just put it on the side of the pot. You guys can see that. And to scoop, it's very simple to scoop it. All right, look at a big large scoop because I'm using the actual larger one. And love the spoon handle. It's not gonna actually rub off to any of the corners or anything, or scratch your expensive stove or anything like that. And at the end of the day, you just hang it there. Very simple. And scoop yourself a nice little scoop of chicken broth with it. Enjoy a nice meal. You don't have to worry about chemicals or any silicone. This is all wood, natural wood. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.